Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily add video transitions in OpenShot video editor. So here I have 4 video clips added to track 1 in OpenShot. Currently there is no transition effects, so they just switch from one to other immediately, as you can see. And if we want to add a nice transition effect, we have to navigate here to transitions. Before that, if you don't see transitions in your dock here, you have to navigate to View, Docks, and tick Transitions. So then navigate here to Transitions, and in here you can pick whatever transition you'd like to use. So let's go ahead and select this circle in to out. Now drag and drop this transition to track 2. Right click on the transition, open Properties, and here we have Transition Properties. So as you can see, transition itself is quite long. Here on the properties, we see that the duration of transition is set to 10 seconds by default. And it's actually longer than my entire clip here. So what I need to do is just left click here on the side of the transition and adjust the duration like this. Or I can actually adjust this end value. So just double click here and type in, let's say 1.5. So I have adjusted my duration to last for about 1.5 seconds. Now next, what I have to do, this is the important part. Now move this transition over the first video like this and make sure it's aligned with the end of this video. So basically this must sit at the end of this first video clip. Next, we take this second clip that we want to transition into. Left click and move this clip until it's aligned with the beginning of this transition here. Here you should see this blue line appearing, which means the video clip 2 is now aligned with this transition. So basically first clip has to align with the end, and second clip has to align with the start of the transition here. Now, if I move the cursor here, click play, as you can see, there is something wrong with the transition. And to fix this, you just have to navigate over transition, right click, and hit reverse transition. Okay, now if I replay this video again, boom, there you go. It's now transitioning as expected. So let's go ahead and do another one. Let's say something a bit more crazy. Let's try this one. So again, I'm going to adjust the duration, double click, make it 2 seconds. I'm going to position this transition at the end of this second clip, and then move this third clip and adjust to match it with the beginning of the transition like this. Okay, now if I hit play here, again, you can see that the same thing is happening. It's cutting the clips and showing the transition after. So just right click on the transition and select reverse transition. Now if I replay again, as you can see, it has smoothly transitioned into the next video clip. And that's it, guys. You can carry on, keep adding transitions. Don't forget to right click and select reverse transition if you see the same glitch as I did. And that's all. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.